how many molecules or species follows Huckel's rules in the following examples. So these molecules are, it was asked in previously NEET 2023 question. So in this question they are asking number of molecules, okay, number of molecules which follows Huckel's rule, right? So you should know what is Huckel's rule first, right? Huckel's rule, according to Huckel's rule, it is 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. What is Huckel rule? 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. According to this rule, n should be an integer. N should be an integer. N should be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So n is an integer. It is an integer. N should be an integer. Molecules which obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. Okay. And those molecules should be cyclic. Molecule should be cyclic. And molecule should be planar. And complete conjugation. Complete conjugation of pi electrons. Complete conjugation. So cyclic molecule, planar and cyclic molecule, complete conjugation should be there. And it should obey 4n plus 2 pi rule according to Huckel's rule, and n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And such molecules are aromatic. Such molecules are said to be, or ions are said to be aromatic compounds or ions. Aromatic compounds or ions. So now this question was given in NEET 2023. This is NEET 2023. In this question they have asked about number of molecules which follows Huckel's rule. According to Huckel's rule, n should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. According to 4n plus 2 pi electron. So number of total pi electrons we have to calculate. So in this example it is benzene. Total pi electrons here 2. So 6 pi electrons are present. The ring contains 6 pi electrons. Now I am going to apply Huckel's rule here. 4n plus 2 should be equal to 6 pi electrons, and 4n is equal to 6 minus 2, and 4n is equal to 4, n is equal to 1. Since it is an integer, n is equal to 1, it follows this compound, this is benzene, which follows Huckel's rule. Next ion, take this ion or this molecule. In this molecule, 1 pi bond and 1 lone pair. Both are in resonance, both are in conjugation. So due to conjugation, this electron pair, this negative charge or electron pair also involves in resonance. So number of pi electrons, here number of pi electrons, 2 electrons plus 2 electrons. These 2 electrons also involves in pi bond formation. So in total 4 pi electrons. So 4n plus 2 is equal to 4 pi electrons, and 4n is equal to 4 minus 2. And 4n is equal to 2, right? So what about n value here? Find out the n value. N value is equal to 4 by 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. 0.5 means it is not an integer. So this molecule do not obey Huckel's rule. It is not obeying Huckel's rule. Next example, take this molecule. Positive charge and lone pair of or pi bonded electrons. So 4n plus 2 is equal to 2 pi electrons. 4n plus 2 is equal to 2 pi electrons. So now 4n is equal to 2 minus 2, 0. So n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. So here it follows according to Huckel's rule, n should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since it is following aromaticity, or it is following Huckel's rule, so this compound also follows Huckel's rule, and this is aromatic, and this compound also aromatic. Take this example. In this example, 2 pi bonds are present. These 2 pi bonds are in conjugation and they involve in resonance. So this pi bond may move like this. This pi bond may move like this. So here also pi bond movement. So 4n plus 2. 4n plus 2 is equal to how many pi electrons? 2 pi bonds. So 4 pi electrons. So 4n is equal to 4 minus 2. 4n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 by 4. 1 by 2, 0.5. 1 by 2, 0.5. Since it is not following n value is equal to 0.5, it is not following Huckel's rule. This molecule is not following Huckel's rule. Next compound, take this compound. In this compound, in total how many electrons? 10 pi electrons. 10 pi electron. 4n plus 2 is equal to 10 pi electrons. So 4n is equal to 10 minus 2. 4n is equal to 8 and n is equal to 8 by 4. N is equal to how much? 2. So it is following Huckel's rule. This molecule is following Huckel's rule. Right. Next example, take this molecule. How many pi bonds are in conjugation? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos are 8 electrons. 8 electrons are there. So 4n plus 2 is equal to 8 pi electrons, and 4n is equal to 8 minus 2. 4n is equal to 6 pi electrons. N is equal to 6 by 4. It is 1.5. So this is not following, this molecule also not following Huckel's rule. So Huckel's rule, their n value should be, according to Huckel's rule, n value should be an integer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this molecule is not following Huckel's rule, and this molecule also not at all following. This is also not following Huckel's rule. So how many molecules are, and this is also not following Huckel's rule. So how many molecules are following? 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3. 3 molecules are following Huckel's rule. In the given example, 3 molecules. So number of molecules or species following Huckel's rule is how much? 3. So this is the question based on Huckel's rule, right? And very important for JEE Mains and Advanced and NEET also.